हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू करियर्स 360। यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम सेंटर पे एंट्री चाहिए तो ये 5 चीज़ें ध्यान से पैक कर लीजिए, वरना एनटीए आपको एग्जाम हॉल में एंटर नहीं करने देगा। ओवर हियर एट करियर्स 360, आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द सेम. Candidates should enter their application number and date of birth to download the hall ticket. Number 1, first of all. Moving ahead, the NTA has issued the University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test December 2025 admit cards for the exam to be held on January 2. Candidates can download the UGC NET 2025 admit card through the official website at ugcnet.nta.ac.in. Moving ahead, you can just have a look now. That candidates are required to enter their application number, date of birth to download the UGC NET December 2025 admit card. The testing agency will conduct UGC NET 2025 exam on December 31, January 2, January 3, January 5, January 6 and January 7. Okay, moving ahead. UGC NET 2025 admit card for the December 31 exam has already been issued. As per the official exam schedule, the UGC NET December 2025 exam will be held in 2 shifts from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now, what are the documents that are required at the examination center? A printed copy of the admit card, 1 passport size photograph, same as uploaded in the application form to be pasted on the attendance sheet, 1 original valid and non-expired photo identity proof, PAN card, driving license, passport, Aadhaar card with photograph. If the name has changed due to marriage or legal reasons, the relevant supporting documents such as marriage certificate, legal name, change document should be there with you people. PWD, PWBD certificate issued by the competent authority if claiming relaxation under the PWD, PWBD category. So these are the documents that are actually required at the examination center. रिपोर्टिंग टाइम से कम 60 मिनट पहले सेंटर पहुंचे और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स घर पर ही छोड़ दें. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर नेट एग्जामिनेशन. सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर अपडेट्स.